So we're going to take a look at the Katana fret leveling system. This is a tool that's designed to level your frets while the strings are still on the guitar. Not geared toward the hobbyist, as its retail price is between $200 and $300. More geared toward professional luthiers, but I think professional luthiers are really set in their ways and would rather straighten the neck out and use a leveling beam rather than something of a tool like this. But we'll see. Let's give it a try and see what results we come up with. So we're back with the Katana, and we're gonna level frets with strings on the guitar. Got the test subject on the bench. Take it down here, and you can watch me set it up. The Katana comes with 3 little brass pyramids which straddle your frets. Put one at the first fret, one at the last fret, and one in the middle somewhere. What these pyramids do is it allows you to transfer the relief in the neck and set your katana to have that same relief. Set the katana on top of the pyramids, and you'll see a space in the center one. Crank the handle until the katana comes down and touches the center one. At that point, your relief has been transferred to the tool. The katana also comes with a little levering tool, which you slip under your strings, push it back, and it lifts your strings up high enough so the katana can fit under your strings. At this point, you maneuver the tool between the 2 strings, and you're ready to start leveling. Because the tool has a relief in it which matches your neck, you want to sand your frets in a small X pattern. Check your strings, see if they're buzzing. If they are, go back and repeat. Okay, they're all leveled. Loosen up the strings, pull them back. I'm gonna crown the frets now with this Rectify Masters Little Bone, is what they call it. It's a diamond fret leveling file, little handheld job. After putting black marker on the fret, you run the little bone down one side of the fret, and then flip it over and do the other side of the fret until you just have a thin line of marker left. Then I took some 800 grit sandpaper, sanded off the rest of the marker. I believe I went to 1000 grit after this, and then took some buffing compound, and we're going to buff the fret up nice. This guitar had buzzing frets on the E, B, G, and D strings from the 12th to the 15th fret. So we're going to work our way all the way up the neck, and then we'll be back when it's time to pull all the tape off. After I removed all the tape, I made sure to take a rag and clean off all the residual buffing compound, which gets kind of caught up in the edge of the frets a little bit. You want to clean that off. We're now putting the strings back into position, and we're going to tune her back up and check our work. Everything unwrapped, got the strings backed up, tuned to pitch. And as you remember, we had buzzing all the way across at the 13th fret. 13th through like the 15th. Buzzing no more. So that worked out well. The little bones worked well. This being such a short throw that's actually doing the work, that you're watching it every stroke across the fret. I like these. I will definitely be using these a lot. But yeah, the Katana worked as advertised. Little bones are awesome. I'm definitely going to turn anybody onto those that I can, everybody I can. Great little tool for what it was designed to do, and it does what it's designed to do. Definitely. Anyway, that's it for this one. We'll see you next time. So behave yourself.